So how do you turn off the green active dot on Instagram? Let's get started. So as you know, the green dot is indicating to other users that you are online and using the platform. So you may not like it, and in order to turn it off, go to the Instagram app and tap on your profile at the bottom in the tab bar, and then go to the settings by clicking on the hamburger menu at the top. Now, you can go through the settings, but I recommend you to literally just go to the search and type in the activity status. And you want to go to show activity status, where there is literally just one toggle. This is either turn on or off. And if you don't like it, you don't like the green dot, make sure it is disabled, meaning that you are not showing your activity status. As you can see, the accounts that you follow or anyone that you message will be able to see when you are last active. So not only the green dot when you are active, but also since when you are not active anymore. So yeah, it's quite a lot of information, and I personally like to keep that turned off. So that's basically how you can do this. There isn't really much else that you need to know. So I'm going to wrap up the video. If you like what you see and this type of straight to the point tutorials, most definitely subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.